Eddie, what do you think?
I don't know.
Alright, so this is Eddie. Do you hear me?
Yes, I hear everything. And I listening.
My 3D printed human-sized robot.
Hello.
Hello. For now he is 170 centimeters tall. He's just created for fun, entertainment. He's just doing the things. Alright, I'll move away.
We will see what is on the left side.
For now, Eddie can be controlled, or you can send him the comments by voice or by mobile device, or he can do things by self.
I don't know. Yes, Eddie wants something. But what's that? And what can I do with this?
Eddie, do whatever you want with that.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna install this in my body to improve my skill.
I have here machine vision camera. This is actually J-Voice, so he can see and easily recognize what is around him. He can make some simple decisions. Of course, it depends on my code, what I wrote. This is not AI machine. This is just simple robot, not that advanced like robots what you see from Tesla or Boston Dynamics. But I built him myself, and I'm proud, and that was so much fun for that years. I think now it's like almost 4 years took for me to build this what you see now.
I am Eddie, 3D printed robot made by Greg. He created me from beginning, design all of the parts, 3D prints them, assembly everything. He is still working with my code.
Do you wanna play with the ball?
Yes, Eddie wanna play with the knob. This is really nice toy. So now we gonna play. Nolka. Touch the ball.
And here is Nolka. She do wanna play. On the both sides of his head, he have safety sensors, like you see if you just get closer to
Detection
him.
on the left side.
Yes, he can
Danger.
react.
Distance is too low.
Yes,
Please keep half-meter distance for safety.
but just half meter. All right. The same is on the front.
Step back.
Is
Keep distance for your safety. I plus I 35.
Eddie, are you joking?
No, never. Just sometimes.
But what you can do?
Soon I will be able to do more than today. Less or maybe more than you.
What do you think?
I don't know.